Hey guys, so there's a lot of info out there on going to a coding bootcamp, but you might be wondering, what is life like after graduating from a coding bootcamp? So here's my story. Back in 2015, I attended a coding bootcamp called Hack Reactor, and it led me on this crazy journey to becoming a software engineer, breaking into tech, and eventually becoming the chief technology officer of Y Combinator-backed startup called Career Karma.
You are a very impressive young man.
In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that my life changed after doing a coding bootcamp. Number 1, learning to code was like gaining a superpower. I got a much deeper understanding of the world around me and how it works. It made me feel empowered not to just think about new ideas, but to actually build them.
The Force will be with you, always.
Number 2, for the first time in my life, I got in a position where I could choose projects I wanted to work on. There are so many companies that are working on interesting projects and are looking for engineers. So if you know how to code, they will gladly have you. Number 3, I built a crazy network of other ambitious people who attended coding bootcamps, who became my friends and went to work on at other great tech companies. The classic reason people go to get their MBAs is for the network. Well, I would argue that the network in tech is 10 times stronger because you're going to be part of companies who are going to become the next Facebooks and Googles of the world.
You're not kids anymore. You're not students. You're X-Men.
Number 4, the work-life balance in engineering is pretty comfortable. You're expected to show up and give it your all, but there isn't going to be an angry boss watching after your back. You're building cool projects as a team, but you also get to have fun. The perks at tech companies are pretty insane. It ranges anywhere from unlimited vacation days to team outings, clubs, events, which makes the work environment more enjoyable. Number 5, the best part about being an engineer is getting paid to learn. For 3 years, the company I was working at paid me 6 figures to basically become a better engineer. The skills I learned on the job allowed me to hack on my own projects, which eventually led me to Y Combinator and allowed me to start my own company, Career Karma. The tech skills are invaluable, and if you could join a company that will invest in you, you already won. Comment below what you think is the best part about being a software engineer, and check out my next video where I'm gonna break down how to prepare for a coding bootcamp. Let's break in.